Hello my beautiful viewers, welcome to Fun Ventures Taiwan. It has been a while since we posted another waterfall hunt video because my health was in trouble, and after I recovered, COVID-19 also struck. So today we are going to Sui Lian Dong waterfall in Hsinchu. It's very close to the Ghost Waterfall. So click the like button and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, this is the second time we're taking this trail. We first came here and went to Yoling Pubu. It was fun, a very beautiful waterfall called the Ghost Waterfall. So today we're going to Sui Lian Dong. You can see these steps, these man-made steps they made here makes this trail a little bit difficult, so it makes it difficult. It puts a lot of pressure on your knees. You can see them. It's a long way, all the way out there. Okay, here is the difference between going to Yoling Pubu and going to Sui Lian Dong. Last time we came here, we took this route going to Yoling Pubu. Alright, we took this route and then go. But today you're gonna take this route. That's the route, the upper route to go to Sui Lian Dong.
上面这边就是上次我们去的幽灵瀑布。那今天我们要去它的上游水帘洞，所以呢，如果看到这个 mark 的话，记得如果要去幽灵瀑布的话，要往下走。那如果要去水帘洞的话，这边往上，跟我们一起走吧。
Wow, look at the waterfall over there. That is the Yoling Pubu we went to. I'll put the link in the description below. The Ghost Waterfall, check it out. See how amazing. It's a wonderful waterfall.
这个路段的话比较平顺，比较好走，而且旁边也有这个围栏，比较安全。
A ghost waterfall. Yeah, the trail is not very difficult to get to Yoling Pubu. Yeah, that is just the return. But like the actual going, you know, it's not as difficult. You don't have to climb up, climb down, and stuff like that. You have to cross this way.
Up there? Can I go up there?
Yes. Come here, this side. Yeah.
其实跨越这条河并没有那么困难哦，只是因为刚好我们来的前几天下了几场大雨，所以河水变得比较湍急。
So after crossing this river, we're going to go up on your left side. You're gonna go up and go to just few meters. Wow!